Hey everyone!
Hey, and welcome to After Hours here at Linda's Electric Quilters.
We are so excited to show you some fun things that you can do with the Celebrate the Season panels.
Yeah, we've taken a look at the Celebrate the Season panels once before,
Yeah.
but not this particular way. So kind of bringing it to you a little bit different and seeing how you can use the Soft and Stable that we took a look at in last week's video or week before on the tic-tac-toe board to use it for this amazing wall hanging.
Exactly.
So let's show you what it looks like.
So this is just one of them.
So this is the Home Sweet Home one.
Fun, beautiful.
So just a simple crosshatch on it. This is the backing for it. Now these Celebrate the Season panels, they come with the front panel.
Yep.
Along with the backing.
And then
enough to bind it. And we even found out it comes with enough if you want to make a little hanger rod thing. Take out the little dowel rod. But a little sleeve to hang up the panel. You can hang that on your door, your wall, wherever you want to put it.
Exactly. Perfect.
Yeah. So we thought we'd show you once more before we show you kind of it mounted on the machine, how they look all together.
Exactly.
So I'm going to move this one out of the way. And this is the one that we just looked at. So this is the Home Sweet Home one.
Yep. So see how it comes with that? So it's already attached to the fabric. It's one panel.
One little piece. So we'll pull this one. So Home Sweet Home is one that you can change out between seasons.
Yep.
This one's going to be more of the January one. And you'll make your cut right here in between these two pieces when you're going to go load it on your frame.
Okay.
We've got the one for February. The one that's on the machine right now that we're going to take a look at. This is the one for March.
Just to stay tuned. We're going to actually show you how we made that Home Sweet Home. Okay.
Got the one for April. Look at the bunny.
I know, they're so cute. I just love how it's one big panel. You have everything you need.
The one for May. For June. Oh, I love July's.
I know, it's your
July's
favorite
my favorite. Look at the watermelons. They're so
they're
cute.
so fun.
They're so cute. All right. July. We no longer have August anymore. These are, what's the word? There's a word for it. Oh. They are, I'll keep going. I'll think about it. This is September.
And this is October, which we only have a couple left of those.
While supplies last. That's the word. That's the phrase. They are while supplies last. So we're already sold out of August, but these are the rest of them. So hop onto the website and grab them.
I love this for Thanksgiving.
November. And then last but not least,
Christmas.
December for Christmas.
Yeah. Super fun.
Yep. I love it.
I love it.
Yeah, the fact that it's all one big piece is amazing. So let's run out to the long arm and take a look at how we've put it on the machine.
Okay.
Okay, so like we talked about, this is the one for March. So I've got it loaded on the frame. I've got the Soft and Stable put in it. I've used the white Soft and Stable because the majority of the Celebrate the Seasons are a lighter fabric. You wouldn't want to use the black underneath it. It would probably discolor it too much. So this white one, natural white color, really keeps the natural colors that are in there. So.
And he already put the backing on. So like he said, he just cut it down the line and put the backing on, and that's so fast and easy to load too, because you can do it the long ways and knock it out.
Correct, yeah. And then on this one and the one on the Home Sweet Home one that you saw, we're going to be doing just a simple crosshatch. On this, crosshatching just really works well. It's the most minimalistic pattern, but it doesn't take away from the design at hand.
Exactly. You obviously can use whatever pattern you want.
Of course.
The crosshatches is one we really fell in love with, especially the way that it looks on the Soft and Stable.
Yes, it gives it really good texture.
Yeah.
So we'll get this stitching away. So it's going to do a larger crosshatch on this one. Makes it look really, really good. And because this is done in multiple rows, it's going to have a little bit of gap that we go in and fill afterwards.
Gotcha.
Which is a fun technique that I teach in some of my ANOVA classes.
I know you do. You have your classes coming up too. Super excited. Your September session and your October session.
I know. So this one's just going through and doing it. Another thing that you could do while this is stitching, is you can actually take those backing pieces.
Okay.
If you want to do a bunch at one time, say you buy all of them, like some of us, you get all of them. Cut those backings, right there where the panel and the backing meet. We showed that line. Cut them and then take them to your sewing machine. Piece all those backings together, one big piece.
Yeah.
And then just lay that panel that matches that backing. Roll and go. Next one, roll and go. Next one, roll and go. And you can get them all done at one time.
Really fast and simple.
Yeah. I mean, I would set up the crosshatch separate because you never know where it's going to land.
Yeah.
But you can easily just throw them on and go, throw them on and go, throw them on and go.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Well, in the way that we sell this Soft and Stable by the yard, by the half yard in the yard, sorry.
Yeah.
By the half yard, you can just get multiples because when you buy it from us, if you buy 2 yards, we're going to cut it at the 2 yard mark.
Right.
So it's already ready to load for that 2 yards.
Yeah, exactly. Alrighty, so it's coming up here to the end of the crosshatch and the center section, so I'm just going to go ahead and trim my bobbin. And then what we will do is we'll take this off and let's head back over to set so you can see the final product.
Oh, I love it. It looks awesome. Alrighty, so that was like a quick and easy, fun product that you just took that
super
panel.
fast.
Like this was the panel that we used.
Good size though.
Yeah, good size panel, and then we turned it into this.
Let's grab it. So now it looks like this.
And you have your extra piecing over here, so you can bind and make your little hanger if you want. I love it.
Awesome.
Super easy, fast. I love the crosshatch pattern, but I also like the glide that you picked to go with it.
I actually did. I've really been into yellow lately, so I did a pale yellow on this one.
It really
made it look like a lime color on this. So don't be afraid to play with different threads when you're doing this. You can come up with some really cool colors. When you apply a really light color that's a little bit opposite of it, it just makes it look really cool. So like this one I did yellow. On the Home Sweet Home I actually did like a pale blue.
Yeah, that's pretty, and I like the glide aspect of it just because of the little sheen. So if it is hanging, it's getting a little bit of movement with it too. Love it.
Oh, so yeah, totally. All right, well, thank you all so much for joining us this evening. These panels are available on our website while supplies last, longarmsupplies.net. We will see y'all all next time here at After Hours. Bye.
Bye.